Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll make you some different type of mocktail. Actually, you can try this mocktail. Actually, this is one type of innovation like mocktail. I am trying for this first time. First of all, how to make this mocktail? First of all, you should take a old-fashioned glass, and you have to take a short glass, 60 ml of short glass. Then simply you have to fill 60 ml of orange juice into the short glass. See, this is normally I am preparing my own mocktail actually. Okay, if you like, otherwise no problem. Okay, after that what you will do, take a old fashioned glass, and you have to simply turn the glass and pour the 60 ml of juice, and you have to rotate the glass so that it will be there inside the old fashioned glass. See how I rotate the glass? Simply you have to do the same things. After that you have to pour 5 ml of grenadine syrup. Slowly you have to pour. Then after that you have to pour rose syrups. This one also you have to pour 5 to 10 ml, not more than that. Just pour 5 to 10 ml of rose syrups. That's it. So this is that layer mocktail, you can tell. This is innovative mocktail, you can try. And after that slowly you have to pour the sprites on top of the short glass so that it will make some layer. Slowly you have to pour the sprites, and see how the fancy mocktail is ready. You can try. See your mocktail is ready. Thank you. See, this one you can try, and you can slowly you can drink this mocktail also. Okay, this mocktail is very simple mocktail, you can try. Okay, see how the color with the combination of grenadine syrup, rose syrup, orange juice and sprites. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Yes.